Hi, I'm unboxing my toe kick saw. Got this one from Harbor Freight. I'm hoping that it's super simple and I can just pull it out and use it. Not sure what these are. Looks like I probably will have to read instructions now. Okay, so pull out the instructions. Let's see. Oh, that just go back to the room. Go on, go lay down. Let's see. Just looking. Okay, let's see. I'm looking for those pieces. Picture of those pieces. Nope. This is the blade, saw blade. Obviously, I don't read it all. Cleaning, maintenance, and lubrication. Assembly diagram. I didn't see anything for what these are for. Huh. We'll go back to the beginning. Maybe there's like a parts page to get their saw safety. Looks like there's something there, like a spring type thing, but this is it. Okay, so let me just open this up and see if it's missing anything. I don't know what those pieces are for. Okay. So apparently you're able to change the depth. I'm going to put it to 3/4. So if you see on here, there's a little, you can 5/8, 3/4. So this one's 3/4, meaning, well, that doesn't seem right. No. It's this little indicator right here. That's 3/8, 5/8, 3/4. Okay, so 3/4, if it's on there, is the shortest, flattest side, so it can get the blade lower. I really don't see what these are for. I don't know. So weird. Okay. I mean, it has some type of for electrical, like it has copper inside the spring attached to it. Looks like a magnet. On the other end is like a thing. Don't know, and I could not find it in the instructions at all. So that's a problem. I mean, I guess I would have to go back to, you know, just read it says there's a trigger, safety switch on the other side, auxiliary handle, carbon brush access. Don't know what that's for. Okay. Stand, spindle lock. Okay, stationary guard, blade guard. Depth adjustment, figured that out. Spindle lock. What is a spindle lock? Huh. Well, when I push it, it pushes something out the other side. So,
it probably locks the blade.
Let me see. No.
No.
This comes off with a thing. Let's see what the spindle lock is for. General operating instructions. Make sure the trigger is in the off position. Then plug in the tool. Make sure all guards are in place in proper working order before operation. Insert the saw at an angle, then lower it to the floor surface. Grip handles firmly. Press in and hold the safety button with your thumb, and at the same time, squeeze the trigger with your index finger. When the motor starts turning, release the safety button. As the motor reaches full speed, begin to move the saw slowly forward and away from your body to complete the cut. If a loud grounding noise is heard, the saw blade is contacting the cement foundation. Immediately raise the saw blade. Never pull the saw backwards, since the saw blade will climb out of the cut and kick back will occur. So like if never pull the saw backwards. So like if I'm going forward, if you go to pull it back, it'll kick back and like jump out of the hole. Done that before. When the flush cut is complete, release the trigger and hold the saw in place until the saw blade comes to a complete stop. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet. Let's see. hardware, just saying like cleaning, maintenance, lubrication. Let's see. Removing the carbon brushes from the housing. Let's see. Carbon brush maintenance. The carbon brushes may require maintenance when the motor performance of the tool decreases or stops working completely. To maintain the brushes, remove the carbon brush cover on each side of the motor housing. So this is just if, I'll read that if I have a problem with it. Problem, tool will not start, excessive noise. Yeah, I don't know what those things are for. Can't find them. So, obviously they're not too important if it's not on like the operating part of it. So I'm just assuming they're there. I'll figure it out if something ever goes wrong with the saw.